Gary from the YouTube channel Junktojems Homestead is getting ready to build a house. I've designed 2 floor plans for him, one with a single bedroom and another with 3 bedrooms. Using his ideas and input, I created 2 practical, comfortable layouts that bring his vision to life.
I'm going to go ahead and build it right there. Shawnice is, have you seen the house design there? Shawnice has done an awesome job on designing the house just the way I wanted it. Because I think the way it's laid out is my bedroom is going to be on that side over there, and my living room and everything's over here. My friend is, she has done 2 separate plans for me. She designed me a 1-bedroom and a 3-bedroom. And she made a very good point when she was designing this. She's like, a 1-bedroom on 5 acres is not going to be like real high on the resale part of it. So I'm thinking, if I do the 3-bedroom house, that's actually good for down the road for selling it.
I'm not an architect, draftsman, or professional designer. The floor plans shown in this video were created specifically for the channel Junktojems and are intended for illustrative and informational purposes only. This is the 1-bedroom floor plan with 1,196 square feet of living space. The entry off the carport, living, dining, kitchen, laundry, mudroom, pantry, an office which could be enclosed to make another bedroom, potential office closet, potential hallway, coat closet, tankless water heater, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom closet. Here's a walk-around video of the outside. Here are pictures showing the exterior of the house. Here's a walk-through video of the inside. The entry, dining, living, kitchen, laundry, mudroom, pantry, an office which could be enclosed to make another bedroom, bedroom, bedroom closet, bathroom, coat closet, here are pictures showing the interior of the house. This is the 3-bedroom floor plan with 1,508 square feet of living space. The entry off the carport, living, dining, kitchen, pantry, an office which could be enclosed to make another bedroom, closet, potential hallway, coat closet, tankless water heater, laundry, mudroom, master bedroom, closet, master bathroom, hallway, hall bathroom, bedroom 2, closet, bedroom desk, bedroom 3, closet, bedroom desk. Here's a walk-around video of the outside. Here are pictures showing the exterior of the house. Here's a walk-through video of the inside. The entry, dining, living, kitchen, pantry, an office which could be enclosed to make another bedroom, master bedroom, closet, master bathroom, laundry, mudroom, coat closet, bedroom 2, hall bathroom, bedroom 3, here are pictures showing the interior of the house. From Gary's house, you'll be able to take in beautiful mountain views and a clear view of the pond he's been building.
Let me show you what we got over here. So we've dug the pond out. This is the back side right here. The island is now real defined, and that's about 9 foot right there, y'all.
Thanks for watching. I will be posting more floor plan videos in the future, so if you're interested, please subscribe.